Hello, day tree. The tattoos are still on. I haven't fully showered. The train station is literally right there. Also us. Nag-book ng Grab. Why? Kasya naman dito.
We'll record city.
United with the crew, you have Riku, Jenny, Joey, and Ate Iay. So Ate Iay is Joey's sister. Have her say hi. Ate Iay, say hi. We're now headed to another hawker. I think Lao pa satellite. So this day is pretty slow. We have nothing planned except sa i-meet yung meet the parents kami with Joey. And that's it. Parang medyo nakapa-baby wig ko. Alda Bjorn. Charot. No. Yung recreate mga Jenny. Hey! Nakapa-baby wig. Invento ko.
Totoo nga, Mark. Tignan mo.
Parang invento si Rico siya.
May brioche bun yung
Jollibee! Guys, I did a wrong turn. Everyone left me. Everyone hates me right now. Okay, there they are. My hateful friends. Girl, shitty bitches. Trying to get her screen time. Her! Yung echo. It's like supernatural sunshine. They're grouped. Yeah. We'd rather... Charot.
Ito yung dinaan natin kahapon, diba?
Maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much. Going to Lau Pasat again because the food there is mwah. And baka gusto mo maghati ng food. Okay, you saw last time we went there. Ang mahal niya tapos di ka naman maubos. Kasi hindi niya gusto yung food ko. Have no one to share with. It's just gonna do. There's the Lau Pasat. Cute queen. Bagal nila maglakad, honestly. They can never keep up. Joke lang. It's like to be ahead. Look at them. Dalihan nyo. Iksi ng mga bias. Charot. Bagal maglakad. Tagasaan nyo na. Wala rin namang gagawin maganda yun sa Pilipinas. Charot. My God, bigla. Look at the sun right now. Oh, they're burning. They are burning. Jisoo life pa. Oh, I bet they're talking shit about me. They're the ones burning. Me, I'm in the shade. They shit. Oop, let me go. We're here in Lau Pasad, everyone. Siguro the difference for this hawker, it's much more organized. And honestly, I know it looks hot right now. I'm sweating. But yung fans are kind of strong. Yeah. Again, everyone left me. They're all buying food. Rather stay. Got all those food. Ore.
Oh my God.
You bring out the Asian in them.
Yes.
Parang ang sad naman nun, pero hindi naman.
No naman, no. Ano lang, parang food choice lang nila lagi. Mas more onto like pasta.
Try something.
So kahit curry, ayaw mo ng curry.
Yes, I ate curry.
Love curry.
Love. Chicken curry ng Pinoy, pwede pa.
Kare-kare.
Bakit?
You love
Ayaw sa
kare-kare?
Pinoy.
Baka the
Yung
spice.
Japanese.
Baka the spice is what you hate.
Japanese, Indian.
Oh my gosh, I'm so petite. This is just my food.
Grabe yung kanin dyan eh.
Ayun.
Tikman niyo to yung ano, Thai Keno. Mura lang yan. $2 lang yan. Ah. Did you get receipts?
Yes.
Oh fuck. Girl, what the fuck? Now we're done eating. Now we're just looking for desserts. Oh. Magkano siya do? Wanna share? Wait. My God. Okay, my turn. Wow. So soft. Wow.
Ito filter na to.
Ginawang ID picture yung ano.
Slay itong...
Laro. Yes!
Ay, alam, masyado akong... Dahil tignan mo.
Lumapit ka.
Kumingkad ka na lang
Oh my gosh!
Eat it up, bitch. Serve it to the girls. We did this. Got it for free. They're plotting. Yes. See something dramatic.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ganyan yan eh.
Say something fucked up.
Alam mo. Ay,
Professional room pala to, no? Joey is such a shitty friend. Kita niyo yung dynamics namin. I basically just follow and pay. And we're filming another stupid TikTok. Pero, say it, diba, masaya naman sana. Say it. Like, do you think?
alam mo, honestly, masaya naman sana. Kung, wala eh. Sa paano ulit yun, masaya naman sana kung hindi lang siya kasama.
Oo.
Alam mo, honestly, masaya
Mm.
naman sana eh. Alam mo, honestly, masaya naman sana kung hindi lang siya kasama.
Parang wag na lang pala kayo sumama, mama.
Okay, repeat that line. Ah! Sabi mo, what if di ka na lang sumama?
Ito matatawa ako.
Wala na, yun yung mapupunta.
You brought the girl
Ito yung
to
mapupunta
Joey.
sa edit na
Oo.
fake yung drama. It's all scripted.
Ulitin mo. Alam mo, what if hindi ka na lang sumama, no?
Hello? So, parang totoo, Joey. Parang naiyak ako. Kanina, it's very sunny. Now, it's suspiciously cloudy.
Are we crossing?
Yes, cross-dressing! Yes! I know a queen when I see one. Oh, by the way, I'm just wearing a buffer outfit of mine for today. Everyone, we're now outside with our today's assigned guide. Look at her go with her map. She said, I'm in charge. The brain, it is on today. Not on every day, but it is now. Slay. And catch the fit. Yes, we did change the look. And my hair is very blue right now. The light is kind of giving my hair more texture.
Love coffee. Yun ang nakating namin dito eh.
Yeah.
Puro kape.
Hi, vlog. Oh, like ano?
I'm half drunk.
Meron doon tindahan ng beans.
We're with Joey's family.
Nag-grind nila po. Meron sila iba. Pinakamasarap. Yes. Yung ano ko, yung nasa bote.
Sa Pinas.
Oo, pero 4 weeks na yun eh.
Putang ina, bakla, lasing na kami dito.
Sand.
Sa harbor front. yun.
Record.
Sa harbor front na
We'll
MRT.
proceed.
Mhm.
Tapos, after ng 10,
Listen, ha?
10, dapat nasa may ano na tayo.
Okay, 9 Harbor.
Harbor
Listen,
front.
yeah.
So we need to wake up at 8.
Yes.
Yes. Ako 6 ako ngayon. At tapos, 10, papasok na dapat tayo by that time. Tapos, susundan natin yung schedule mo. Anong oras tayo matatapos tingin mo? 5 or 6?
No, earlier.
Earlier.
If you follow
Kasi
that.
sasabihan ko si ate
Okay.
para
I
mi-meet
think
niya
6
tayo.
is okay.
Let's check parang after
Hindi ka
lunch
naman
kamusta yung flow
makaka-record.
natin.
Kasi ang Heidi Lau,
Sorry, I wasn't able to vlog.
Girl, isipin mo lasing kayo sa Singapore. Napakamahal ng alcohol dito. Girl.
Look at me, girl.
You wanna go there, no?
Thank you, Tito Bob. Thank you, Joey's
Thank you,
family.
Joey's family. It was so
Yeah.
nice. Ano, sabi ko kay Joy, it's so nice to finally meet the whole family. Hindi naman whole, your family.
Yes,
Actually,
the
sobrang
important
cool.
characters.
Yeah. Tapos wait, this is so funny. Kasi literally, like feeling ko si Joey din naman. Literally para tayong mga jowa na pinapakilala sa family.
Girl, yes.
Ganun yung pressure, kumbaga.
True. Oh my God, we have less than 20 seconds. Look at the dog! Look at the...
Para nakascrunch siya ng gano'n, nakaganon.
In her domesticated era. Wifey era.
I admit to a crime on video.
Yes, so Jenny stole plastic bags. Kasi, di ba doon self-checkout, ginawa ni ate, kinuha niya lang. Hindi niya binayaran. Criminal. Bongbong Marcos core. Where are you still? Shit. Like the Lord says, I believe. Fuck.